Hi everyone, welcome to Microbits. Now, let's learn about the blocks that we're coding in the microbits. So, we do not to use forever blocks and on start block. So we just remove in the bins and then go to basics. Go to input and take on button is press it. And then we're going to let the plot bar graph off. Now you see it. We press it. You see the middle of it. But if we go to game, we create the sprite. We put in here and we create a spread x to y. It cannot, because the plot bar graph off cannot put it in. So we should not use the plot bar graph. So we make our variables with your own name. I will enter my nickname and I will set. Then it's a surprise, like a sprite, yeah? And if we click it, the button, you will see the middle of it. But that's why it's just a person. But did you want to create a game or not? Is it not like a game? So we go that more change it by 1. So as you see that y is happening. If it has anything, it will be good because it has nothing. But if we put the grid sprite at x to y, it will be anything in here. So we will use on start, then on start block. We can control and revise even from microbits. That will be 1, but it's nothing. What if we change it to so we'll delete it again? We'll go to logic. Logics is in condition proof. But we did not use that. Let's go to radio. Radio sound string will be good, but it's not. See, radio sound string have 2 of them. Look, if we go input, as you see it, input B, and you will go to let and the plot bar graph off. Then if you start it, it will here, and the second will be here. Why so similar? This is on start, but it's still so similar. Let me teach. This is why it's because the plot graph of have 2. We put here 25 and here 125, and it will be. See? So bye everyone to listening my video.